I think Tinder is okay at times, but I don't think it's a good place to meet anyone worthwhile. The narc FWBs. If you want to spend all of your days as a meaningless pile of meat wad, what you are to the narcissist, then go for it. These women are just using you until they get bored and move on. All you are doing is wasting your youth, looks, and body on meaningless nights. Don't forget you're not the only one they spend their nights with, and VD is a highly probable risk with narcs. When you're old, overweight and unattractive, you'll regret the days wasted and want to have spent them building a life with someone lovable. You'll never be as good as you are now. Don't waste time on useless people.